Hi everyone, it's Justin from Discovery. I'm here to show you a great STEM item today. It's the Solar Robot Creation Kit from Discovery, #Mindblown. This 190-piece kit comes with custom decals and detailed instructions to build a dozen unique robots. Your kids will spend hours making robots that will walk, crawl, and even float on water. What's cool about this item is that it's completely powered by the sun. No batteries needed. It's a really fun way to teach kids about solar energy. We developed this STEM toy to help develop your child's interest in science, technology, engineering, and math. This will help them stay relevant in today's increasingly tech-savvy world. We provided engaging tips for parents to help kids better understand what they're learning. It will also help encourage curiosity and problem-solving skills while having fun. So challenge your engineering skills and expand your creativity with the Solar Robot Creation Kit by Discovery, #Mindblown.